Hello friends, this is Amit here and today's topic is understanding project controls. So what is this project controls all about? So today's topic is going to take you through the basic understanding what it is all about. Let me just put down my cursor. Yeah. So what is project controls? So project controls is based on scientific principles which makes the project measurable, repeatable, predictable. So it is something that makes project management better. So project controls is a fusion of applied project management principles and techniques to the problems cost estimating, cost control, planning and scheduling to ensure that the project satisfy two major critical areas. The first thing, it should be on time. The second, it should be within budget. So what are the building blocks of project controls? The first thing, the foundation is the establishment of realistic baselines. Second, realistic baselines must come from well-defined scope. Third, scope definition must include all aspects of work that need to be completed. Fourth, the aspects need to be communicated to the project team to support a quality cost estimate, a viable project schedule and sound project execution plan. This is the communication of unbiased facts and not the opinion of the project controls team. So these are the building blocks. So the first one, realistic baseline, well-defined scope, all aspects of work to be included, communication. Communication is the key. So the six steps that we say, what are the six steps that we need to know for the project controls? First, know what has to be done. So this can be done by having a detailed control budget and schedule as baseline for control. Second, know what has been done. The commitments, expenditures, also what has been installed or designed. Third, know what remains to be done. It's the forecasting. Know what is right and wrong, early and why. So this is variance analysis. Take corrective action, that is control. Last, check results of corrective action, so that is follow up. So what are the various area of project controls? So the various area of project controls, it starts with planning. What is planning? Defining execution methods, means and project objectives before execution start. Second, change management is the process followed to make decisions on new or revised scope. Estimating, predicting time, cost, deliverables and resourcing to deliver the scope. Scheduling, developing a time-phased plan of activities that indicates what, who, when, etc. Cost control, analysis of budget and actual expenditure. Progressing, determining status of completion and performance typically using a dashboard. Forecasting, continuously predicting the final outcome of cost, time and quality. So overall, if you can look into what are the areas, it starts with planning, then to change management, estimating, scheduling, cost control, progressing, forecasting. So all this taken together, it's what project controls is all about. So looking into the Bradshaw's pyramid model of project controls execution. So it starts with the organizational development, then it goes to project controls development, then it looks into the performance measurement. After that, we look into the analysis and corrective actions. Then we look into project updates and reviews. And last, we get into success. So each and every action has the steps that needs to be done. So if you can look into what are the things that we require for success, it starts with policy to project controls mandate, enterprise integrated system, project control procedures. Then it also goes into the code of accounts, scope of work, estimate, procurement analysis, construction status, oversight assurance, project forecast, estimate updates. So that is what the total steps that we require, that we look into how we can look into success. So to get the success of project controls, all the steps needs to be completed. Next we come down, it's a very important thing. What is estimate? What are the class of estimates and how it is defined? So we look into the various class. When we say the class 5 is the lowest form of estimate, wherein we say that it is in this screening phase. wherein the project is at a very high level, that is on from 0 to 2%, that is the maturity level, and the accuracy is also plus 30% to 100%, and on the lower side minus 20% to minus 50%. So here it's just on the concept screening. Similarly, on the level 4, it's on the study or feasibility. Level 3, budget authorization or control. Class 2, it's on the control or bid or tender stage. Class 1, it is on the final stage where we check the estimate or bid tender. So it's the detailed cost. So all the detailed cost and everything is included. So here you can look into what is the accuracy. The accuracy keeps on increasing as you go to the bottom. So class 1 is the one wherein my project accuracy is the maximum, because the maturity of the project is also at the max. It is at 65 to 100%. So this is what class is all about. So I think now I have covered a basic of project controls, so the viewers can know that what is project controls all about and what are the basics that you should understand before understanding project controls. Thank you so much.